Regreasing a tension and bearing is actually very simple. You just need a prying tool to get under the seal in here. It sometimes takes a while. You can see a little bit of grease because I've already done the other side. When I do this, I like to take a syringe, the smallest you can find. This is the 2 milliliter one. Put some grease inside of it. That way, applying the grease into all the crevices in the bearing is really easy, and honestly there is only so much you can put in there. And when I do this, I always turn the bearing because new holes come up. So I just fill it up again, turn it, and I don't wipe the excess of the grease off. I just stick the seal back in, and whatever has to leak out will leak out. Then I wipe it down so it goes in easily, and yeah, brand new.